Bonjour. So now you know how to greet someone, how to say goodbye, and you also know how to tell your name, how to ask someone's name, how to spell out your name. Now let's move the conversation a little further. So if you're meeting someone for the very first time, there are some type of personal information that you share. The most common one is sharing your age or sharing your or exchanging phone numbers. To do that, you should know how to pronounce numbers in French. So today we are going to learn numbers. So I'm going to write them simultaneously while I'm speaking. Please make sure you listen to the pronunciation very carefully. I'll give special markers wherever I think they are required and wherever students make common mistakes. So we are going to learn les nombres. So we'll start from zero. So it's zero, zero. Since you see accent aigu over the sound is a, zero. Then you have ah. Minded N is not pronounced, it's ah, it's a nasal sound. Ah. Then you have the from the chest. The trois. If you see O E together, the sound is always O A wa. So it becomes trois. Then you have quatre, cinq, un, cinq, six, sept. A is silent. Sept, huit. There is no her sound as I keep repeating. Huit, neuf, dix. So we'll repeat 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.